Hey there guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do a very old video that I had lying around for a very long time, like almost a year. So I wanted to show you these muffins that I made for my birthday party, and so let's get started. First of all, you want to take these, I don't know what you call them, I have to look that up. We call them Schokokuss. So you cut off the bottom and you put the squishy chocolatey part in a bowl and mash that up with a fork just a little bit so it's nice and creamy and small. And then you can cut down those little bottom parts that are more like waffles. You just cut it very small. Next you want to take an egg and mix that up a little bit. Now you want to take some oil and you want to add the oil and the egg into a bowl and then also some buttermilk. And that's the same bowl where all the squishy bits of the Schokokusse are in. Then you want to also add your sugar and your vanilla sugar. And then you're ready to mix it up until you have a nice even texture in this liquid. Next up, you want to add your flour, baking powder, and then those little bits that you cut down with a knife. And again, you want to mix now on a very low setting until the dough is ready and it's completely combined. Then you can put it in your little muffin tins. And you can preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius, and you want to bake these for 20 to 25 minutes. After they've cooled down, you want to go ahead and cut these Schokokusse into half. Then you want to take your powdered sugar in a small bowl. You want to add some cocoa powder to that, and then a little bit of water, and then you want to mix until you have a nice paste. This shouldn't be too liquidy. You can see right here, you want it to be pasty. Then you want to make a huge dot on top and put your little Schokokuss half on top. And now your muffins are all decorated and you're ready to enjoy. I think they're very fun. They look different and they taste a little bit different as well. So I hope you try them one day, and I hope you want to see more videos because I'm planning to do more. So bye guys.